rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. Generally I have my routine almost day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. Number one, keeps me young. Number two, God's food. Number three, exercise, self-love. See this right here? That's for my feet. I almost do that daily. You get 72,000 nerve endings in your feet. When you're eating food the body can't handle, and that's generally cooked food, especially meat, sugar products, which is in everything. The body tries to send it as far as away from the major organs. Feet. In the morning, I step on it. It is not fun. And I give myself a self-massage, self-diagnosis. Hands. My hands pretty much tell me everything I need to know. My hands pretty much tell me what's going on with every area of my body and just looking at it. Which means when someone comes into my store and they're doing this a lot, it means something. They're doing this a lot, it means something. They're playing with this finger, it means a lot. They're doing, by the way, this is, for me, I did something called a special hand massage. This area, beyond amazing. Don't really want to get into it now. Maybe if I have a chance, I can find somebody. Secret is day in, day out. Day in, day out. You have to have a body has a rhythm, and that rhythm has to be honored. It has a rhythm. From 4 a.m. to 12 o'clock, the body goes for a cleanse, which means just fruit. Reason being, food takes 30 minutes, meat takes 100 hours, and everything else is in between. So if you really want to focus on losing weight, fruit in the morning. If you want to focus on losing weight, have something called intermittent fasting. Stop eating at 6, 7. Then it gives your body a rest from 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock the next day. That it can work on getting rid of the fat. I always wear tight shirts. Yeah, I wear tight jeans. It's a little bit numb, nothing major. I gotta focus on eating more fruit. And intermittent fasting. 76 years old. 76 years old, man. And still working 60, 70 hours a week. So I gotta be doing something right. First, your hair. Every part of your body is in your head. So if you're scratching something, boom, 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 it's body's language that whatever's going on is in your head. This, something head. This, something head. So everything is connected. Forehead. Kind of rubbing all the digestion issues. Generally there's 3 lines: digestion, elimination, respiration. So you're just gonna clean it. This area right here is your liver. Eyebrows are your gallbladder. Eyes are liver. Underneath is your kidneys. I don't expect you to remember this. The thing is, be aware that your body is always talking to you. If you have a pimple or a bulge or a darkness in your eyes or a red eye, it's not by accident. If your cheeks are red, not by accident. If you have like pimples along your nose, your corresponding organ. Nose is heart, middle area stomach, this is pancreas. So you're gonna kind of clean everything out. Lips. People say I drink a lot of water. If you have lines on your lips, you're dehydrated, too much salt, too much fat, not enough fruit. So you're just kind of working your body. I don't want to talk too long. Base, this is for my double chin. Right here is your respiration. This is your lungs. Ears are kidneys. Waxing ears. Body is trying to clean itself out. Let me get off this. Okay. So generally, I do that pretty much every morning. I try to wear a tight shirt every morning. Exercise outside every morning. It looks pretty good, right? Major exercise. It's rebounding. Rebounding. Major exercise. It's like my rock for exercise. I shoot for 1,000 jumps. Did 1,000 jumps last night. Didn't do any sit-ups. Oh, you know what? Maybe I did. You really can't make a mistake. And when you jump on it, jump 6 inches, you double your weight. You also clean out lymphatic system. All the waste that surrounds your cell gets flushed out. Give time for your TH cells, which has some hydrogen peroxide. Look at every cell. Anyway, I gotta keep on working. I got gardening to do. I have work to do. Pick up veggies today. Going back to the garden tonight. Got water. Got to plant some tomatoes. Keep yourself busy. Focus on. Wear tight clothes. When you wear tight clothes, you gotta really realize that what you have should not be there, and you have to change it. You don't have to, but you want to look good. You want to stay young until the day you die. 76 years old, spring chicken. I have my routine, my garden, I have my work, I have my videos, write books, boom, 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 super excited. All my words are always super excited. Rock and roll, live the dream. My body understands English. Doesn't want to hear my shit. Bye. Oh, it's 7 minutes long. That's too long.